Now that all the processes and systems are chugging along just fine, it seems we have everything lined up nicely to be able to put our final products out. But wait, there's more. Our product is only as good as its individual components, so quality and safety assurance has to be built into various stages of the production process. Let's take a look at a couple of the tests we conduct to ensure our products are up to standard. Before the vehicle is assembled, the structure of the body must be checked. Inspection jigs, like this one here, are used to check alignment. And if you look at this here, you'll see that it's not part of the paint job, but a chemical that tests the strength of the welding. After some time, if the red color does not resurface, that means the weld is defective. Some tests go beyond what the naked eye can detect. For this laser check, an operator holds a probe which scans the hull. Various measurements are captured and compared against the 3D model. With this test, issues such as hull shrinkage due to welding can be flagged. I'm now standing in the dyno control room, but the real business occurs on the other side of the glass. What's over there is like a treadmill test for an engine, transmission, and subsystem. You're now looking at a Hunter engine getting checked for full functionality before it gets installed into the vehicle. Did you know that ST Engineering has its own test track? It's routinely used to test vehicles that have already been fully outfitted. It's here that vehicles run the gamut of mobility tests such as brake tests, front and side slope tests, and turning radius checks, amongst others. Having our own track means that testing can be done efficiently and faults rectified immediately. But this is by no means the final test. Outside of the track, ST Engineering's vehicles are also tested on highways and off-road terrains in various climates. And gun systems naturally must also be test-fired.